Kala mo wala ka, handa akong umibig. Nawala ng lahat ng iba. Walang papantay sa'yo, tunay. Okay? Okay? Oh my god. It's just started. It's like beginning. Honey. Honey, it's okay. May mali ba sa sarili ko? Di ko kaya umibig muli habang buhay na. Ang sabi na wala ng lahat. Hi, William! Hello! Hi! Hello, beautiful angel. Hello. Thank you for watching. Sika! Check, 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 check. Here, here. Look, here. Mali ba sa sarili ko? Hi, thank you for watching. Thank you for the 20 million here. Thank you so much. Can you give me a thumbs up? Can you please give me the thumbs up, please? Thank you so much for the 18 million here. Thank you, guys. May mali ba sa sarili ko? Isipin, aminin na wala nang ibang nagkahigit pa. The star of the show, cute Stitch 1, 2, 3. Ate Batang. Anong batang? Bat ano? Anong batang? Hello. Hi, Haspi. Nael Vivian. Hello, Nael Vivian. Ganda mo, ah. Gandang Pinay yan. Brown na brown. Star English. Gandang Pinayan. Brown na brown. Star said, why you're so beautiful? It's a natural beauty. Sana all, no? Walang halong kimikal. Jill, YouTube. Hi from Scotland. Thank you, Jeeves, YouTube from Scotland. Thank you so much for joining me here. Thank you. What is say Star saying? Star saying said, um, uh, sister, why are you so beautiful? Shh. Star said, Star think I'm beautiful. Hello, familiarize. Hi. Thank you sa pagpunta. Thank you for joining my live. I am going to subscribe. Thank you for subscribe, familiarize. familiarize. Zizel Vlog Hong Kong. Hi, Zizel Vlog Hong Kong. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me here. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Zin Matthew Opeda, are you Filipina? Yes, I am a Filipina. Pure Pinay. Bicolana. I'm Bicolana. 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 Yes, I'm Filipina. Ano? Ano kang party ng Bicol? Yun lang. Sorsogon. Jeff's YouTube. Hi, Jeff YouTube. Thank you for joining. Sorsogon. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hindi ako marunong mag-ingay. Yun lang. Hindi marunong. Hindi daw marunong mag-English. Bakit naman? Hindi marunong. Ilang taon ka na din. How old are you, Dean? I hope and I prayed somewhere. Matagal na kitang iniibig. Matagal na akong nasa 20s. Ah, okay. You're too young. You're too young, dear Matthew Opeda. You're too young. Me, older, at twice your age. Para lang sa'yo. Ito ko. I told him. Okay. Kahit na. Fine, alright, I will English. You're so cute, guys. September 1 and 2. Who is Tim Harley? Tim Harley, he's my fiance, Vin. Hello po, hi! He's an American. He want to know people here just want to know what they say. Ako si Skibidit. Just a player. Skibidit pop pop. First of all, shut up Tim. Oh my god. Just in English, nag-change ni Makoka di. Ah, okay. Jabarapapeng, skibidipip. Nag-charge ako ng name. Ah, nag-change ka ng name. It's a prank. Ay, it's a prank. It's a prank. He is gone. Oh my god. So there it us. Oh my god. Can see your love is like the sun. That light up my whole world. I feel inside. Your love is like the river to find and reading. Work together. Hi, Gavin. Well, I'm not gonna let him talk like that to me. Who? Look, who is it? Hi. Hi. Hi, Gavin. Following including headings. Homework. The homework. The homework. Need to pass this paper. Finish or not finish. Your love is like the sun. Wait lang. Okay. Come on. Come on. Got to be on point. Get it done. Get it done, lol. Done? Dance. What? What do you want? What do you want? Come on, get it over. Get it done. Aray. The paper. Ah, the paper. Pass the paper. She doesn't have homework. She doesn't have homework. That homework from her job, I think. That homework from her job, I think. Yeah. Yeah. I need to write the narration for ano, need to be a specific and truthable. Truthable. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the shame inside. Your love is like the river that flows into my vein. I feel inside. Love, your love, your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the fun. Fun. Ah! Naglilinog! Ay! Ay! My God! Ay! Naglilinog! Naglilinog! Ay, pag-ano ka naglilinog? Naglilinog, oh! Naglilinog! My God! Mama! Mama! Naglilinog! Mama! Naglilinog! Naglilinog! Mama! Naglilinog! Naglilinog! Ay! Bumuhat! Ano no? Turog! Sa earthquake. Mama! Oh my God. Naglilinog pa. Sa earthquake. Oh my God. Oh my God. Still earthquake until now. I feel it. Oh my God. Still, I felt dance because it's earthquake, and until now, it's still dancing. Oh my God. People outside, people outside, crazy, still crazy. They going outside, the people. Oh my God. A cat. A cat. What a cat. She don't like cat. I don't like a cat. Oh my God. I feel scared. Until now, it feels. She's scared of a cat. No, it's not a cat. It's an earthquake. Sure, it is the earthquake or cat. Earthquake. Yeah, it's an earthquake. You don't understand why I'm just yeah earthquake. That's why I'm. That's why I feel because it's like I feel dance because of that. That's why oh my god I feel so my mother said don't move. I feel like that. She's scared of everything. So I'll go outside. Yeah. Why it looked like there was something in your why it looked like there was something in your because, having an earthquake that's like what the noise just because of earthquake. My god I felt scared. I need to don't trace please go out. Yeah, I'm worried because my son is sleeping. What are you doing? You get oh my god. City first. Thank you guys. I like how it I like how it make me feel. Thank you guys. I think earthquake done, but I hope. But it's so strong earthquake here because of the ano. This is like a shaking. It's shaking. I thought there was a snake in her room. No, not a snake. It's earthquake. My mother said, "Don't move, don't move." Oh my God, I feel ano. Oh my God. No, not. Thank you, guy. I'm sure everyone heard her call from mommy. Yeah. Who knows? It's just a little. Maybe multiple quicks may come before the earth zittles. Yeah. Thank you, Sean, after Sean. You was look like there was something in you. Mommy, mommy. Who you gonna call for when you're here? Ah, yeah. Thank you. Oh my God, the earthquake. So strong, the earthquake. I thought it was someone shooting a gun. No, it's not. Uh, I feel scared right now. I'm still feel scared. And she yelling and they have no problem finding her. Shut up. Tim. Hi, dog. You single? Kenny, where are you from, Kenny? I just rewatched the moment you felt earthquake. Thank you. Thank you, Raptor Shan. Can you rewatch? You can rewatch. Oh my god. He's single. To tell you, to tell you, you have a rare chance of doing from earthquake. You know? uh, Hi, dog. Thank you, dog, for joining me here. Thank you, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, in a place somewhere in your heart, you'll always stay. Ooh, singing sunshine. The house almost dropped on her like the witch or the wizard of Oz. Just sing of it like a big message. Thank you, my God. Need to be careful. Hi, Michael. Thank you for joining. How are you, Michael? Bonjour, côté tout va bien. J'habite en France, en Britain. Yeah, Gal was trying to tell her to stop singing. A big message. Yeah, a big message. What a message. Maybe people see here, maybe the volcan here signs for eruption signal to a minion. I'm a cute. Yeah, volcano blows. Mads, how, where are you located? I'm from Philippines. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. 9 million here. My God. She lives on Arctic Alley. Arctic Alley. Meiji is in Philippines. Sorry, I didn't tell you where. I'm from Philippines, Mads. Okay. Je vous venais chez Jésus toi. Je toi tu et d'accord. 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 Thank you, Meiji and Mads. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. We're in Philippines. Bicol. Bicol. Mads. Michael, you're gonna have to get English translator app. Tim, if it ever comes again, just put your body over here. What, Golden? Are you crazy? Oh my god. That's so wrong. That's so wrong. That's so wrong. Just so wrong. Just so wrong. Just so wrong. So wrong. Cheryl, we talk about you giving out where you live. Ah, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for Neds. Fall in the blue sky, down to Cork Park, listening to the wind. James, the summer night, soldiers passing by, listening to the wind. James, take me to the magic of the clouds, of the glowing night. Into the looks of my shadow dream with you and me. What, Golden? Are you crazy? Okay. Oh, my God. I need somebody. Okay, yeah, don't do that, Sharon. What? Why? Why? My God. Why you say that, Golden? What do you mean? I don't understand. Lol, Cheryl, how can you yawn after experiencing an earthquake? Yeah. Where you live? Uh, oh my God. I don't know. See, Golden, I would if I knew it wouldn't use up my heat. You said, Golden, are you crazy, Golden? Oh my God. Maybe it's 7, 6 magnitude, something like that. 5. So strong earthquake. They are more important. They are more important. Lol. They are more. What would have been funny if she was the bathroom sitting on the floor. Hmm. What? I'm actually have no hair golden. Nah. You know what? Crazy. I didn't see anything move. I don't see anything move. Because it's like, that make it even more bad. What the heck? That make it even more bad. I don't want to mess up my bald head. Bald. Oh my god. Can s- can she say a thing? Oh, 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 oh. No, not only not on air. Oh my god. So flying. That wired. Wired. That wired. I thought she was getting ready for later. Later? Tututok. Kulit ka! See, Cheryl need to... Huh? What? Tim, what it means? Lee terminology. I'm so happy I come into... What do you mean? Or I would have means... Or I would have means... Miss this. What do you mean, Tim? I learn. Yes, I need to learn more. Huh? God. Yay! Sheryl, check your messenger. Why? Why? What happened? And someday I'll find someone. It's a pig. Hi, Golden. It's a pig. It's a pig. Kapag, kapag. It's a pig. Boom. Ah! I'm a team now. Tim funny. Don't say it out loud. I'm Tim now. Team funny 1, funny 3, funny 4, funny 5, funny. Ting-a-ling-a-ling ding dong. Ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling ding dong. Ting-a-ling-a-ling ding. Yeah, I told her to give you one. Ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling ding dong. Ting-a-ling-a-ling ding dong. Where are you from? Really? Why? Where are you? Where do you live, Golden? America, USA. You always here. Where do you live, Golden? Yeah, do you live in America or USA? New York. Where? Chicago, Texas, Massachusetts, Ohio, Indiana, Louisiana. What is it? Kansas. If you don't want it. I think that both. Sure, stop singing that song. Okay. Ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling ding dong. Ting-a-ling-a-ling ding dong. Ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling ding dong. Ah, ah. Nagwatak na tayo. Same thing as in America. That's why she said both. Uh, that why it was funny. That why it was funny. Sure, let him answer where. Where, Golden? Where are you from? Where do you live? Please answer Ohio. Okay. I'm from Ohio. Okay. Nice to meet you, Golden. Um, what else? Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Mm, mm, oh. Charot. Why? Feel sleepy now. You. Why? Why me? Why me? Why it's not you? Why me? Theme must be from there. Okay. No, Texas. Oh, okay. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you, Golden, for joining me here. And my team. Team. Mm, what it means, team. What we have a team now. Team funny. Bye. Bye, my team. Love you all. God bless.